We're back at the Orlando Science Center today, and in the month of August, I'm here joined by Zach. And you know, when we go back to school, what was your favorite subject?
Oh, science, of course.
That's why we're here at the Orlando Science Center.
Exactly.
But as we learn through play, I think arts and crafts are so important. And today we're going to have a really fun activity. So what do you have in store for us
Yeah,
today?
so today we're going to combine a little bit of both. This is called our glowing jar activity.
Wait, that's so cool.
And right now you might see what looks like just an empty jar, but if I use a little bit of light and science, I can reveal my image for a little rainbow scene right here.
How did that happen?
So our light is actually being blocked by the marker that's on the other side of this paper. And we're going to go ahead and teach everyone how to make this craft at home so you can also learn through play. So
lovely.
All you need are 2 pieces of paper. You can draw a jar on one if you like, scissors, a flashlight, glue stick, and some markers. So we have all of that right here.
Cool.
And all you have to do is draw an image on one side of your paper. We're going to go ahead and pick the one that has our dotted line, and then we're just going to glue our jar up on top of it. So go ahead and get drawn.
I am going to become an artist through this. Sorry guys, no longer become a meteorologist. I'm going to be an artist now.
Yes, I'm going to also become an artist, and we're going to learn a little bit of science along the way. So what is happening is as the light of the flashlight is passing through, it is white light. However, all of the pigment of our markers are actually going to reflect and only the light that they see and absorb every other wavelength of light. So blue will only reflect blue, red will only reflect red. That's why we see it that way. But it'll absorb all of the other colors as well. So when you go ahead and do different colors, you'll be able to see those colors pass through that white paper as well. And it creates a really cool effect. So I'm going to go ahead and play with some reds and some blues, just like that, 2 simple crowns. And then all I'm going to go ahead and do is take my glue stick and glue the back of my jar. And it doesn't need to be too much. Your normal gluing procedures.
Okay. A little bit of glue on the back.
A little bit of glue on the back. Just need the papers to stick together.
Cool. And then I'm going to put it with the picture facing up.
Yep, picture facing up. Jar on top.
So picture no more, but not for long.
So our paper is obscuring that original image, but we can go ahead and use our flashlight and our images are going to come through. So you can see my colored crowns here. And let's go ahead and see your thunderbolts and lightning.
There you go.
Very, very cool indeed. Not at all frightening. I know going back to school can be a little frightening, but hopefully with learning through play, it's a little bit easier.
And now I can look forward to art class.
Yes, and this is one of our Hive Juniors activities. This is Outside the Hive, which is presented by the Isaacs family. You get to learn through play there, and it is for all ages. So if you're a little too young to go in the Hive, it's okay. We have stuff for you.
For everyone here at the Orlando Science Center.
Exactly correct.
Be sure to come here during the month of August if you ever want to do some arts and crafts.